Sweet tea daily, spreading the light, painting hope in boxes so bright.
Hello and welcome. Happy season of Advent to you. Christmas is right around the corner, and next week I'll be heading to the processing center with all the filler we have created, along with these last 3 shoeboxes. These gifts are for girls ages 2 to 4, 5 to 9, and 10 to 14, and they're all princess themed. So let's get started. This first box is for a girl who's 2 to 4. The lid design features Cinderella with the verse, "With God all things are possible," from Matthew 19:26. If you like this lid design, you can go to sweetteadaily.com and print them off for your own shoe boxes. Here she has a pretty pink dress with tulle and sparkles. I found this dress at Walmart. It's a Wonder Nation brand. And she has a pretty princess crown and some bracelets and a cross necklace. Here she has a mini Princess Cinderella, and I'm leaving it in the package because I like the presentation. She will be getting a Gigglescape baby doll from Target. She is just so soft. And one thing that I love about these dolls is that they're weighted on the bottom, so it gives a nice weight to them. She will also be getting a blue Pegasus horse from Dollar Tree, and it comes with a comb. And she will be getting this very soft princess kitten plush as well. She will be getting a Chelsea doll and a car, the little teddy bear. She will be getting these Fisher-Price Little People, a Cinderella, a Princess Tiana, and a Princess Rapunzel. She will also be getting a harmonica and a blue knitted blanket that her toys are sitting on, a princess coloring book, some crayons, and a princess dress-up sticker book along with the bag. I almost forgot to show you, she has a pair of socks and a pair of underwear, and the underwear will go in the satin fabric bag. She has a folder with some paper in it, and on the top is a princess name page. You can also get that off of the website, sweetteadaily.com, if you're interested. And she will have a set of princess stickers as well. She will be getting a princess coloring book as well. And this is also something that you can find on the website if you're interested. She has a mini book and a sticker activity ornament tucked inside, a princess matching game from the website, a ball that lights up, and a flying disc with some instructions on how to fold a flying disc, and also some games that you can play with the flying disc that's also available on the website if you're interested. This is a nail kit I put together for all 3 of the boxes. It has 2 nail files and a set of fingernail clippers, along with instructions on how to use them that you can get off the website. This is a brush compact mirror combo. We'll be getting 2 toothbrushes and some dental floss, along with some instructions on how to use the dental floss. That's also on the website. She'll be getting some lip balm, a comb, 2 Band-Aids, and some hair accessories, some hair clips, some barrettes and hairbands. She'll be getting a school pack that is pretty much the same as the other 2 boxes as well. She'll be getting a scripture heart and our letter and our photo to the child as well. This next box is Princess Tiana in purple for a girl who's 5 to 9. Here's her purple dress, so sparkly. A horse with wings. It's a purple horse with wings. A princess tiara. And a mini Princess Tiana. She'll be getting a Princess Puppy plush. A couple of activity books. One is a dot-to-dot coloring book, and the other one is a Princess Nilla sticker book. She will also be getting a jewelry pack. In her jewelry, she'll have a bracelet and some adjustable rings, as well as a cross necklace. She'll also be getting a pair of flip-flops, and a cute cat t-shirt, along with a Princess Tiana Barbie doll and a Rapunzel Barbie doll, along with some outfits for them. She'll be receiving a His Name is Jesus book along with the sticker ornament, a hygiene kit with some underwear, a princess matching game along with a school pack, and a solar calculator along with some picture and written instructions on how to charge a solar calculator. And it has been translated into French and Spanish, and it's available on the website as well. This last box is for a girl who's 10 to 14, and it features Belle. She has a bright pink dress that sparkles, a Princess Belle figurine, a princess bear, and a pink Pegasus horse with a comb, a headband that I thought looked a little bit like a tiara, and these very soft leggings. And I know they don't really go with the dress, but they were so soft. I thought that I would just add them to this box. She'll be getting some jewelry, a cross necklace, and these very sparkly costume jewelry rings. I thought they were so lovely, and I know that they will be big on her, but for dress up, that should be fun, I thought. Perfect for a princess theme. She'll be getting a pair of sandals, a princess matching game for an older girl, a flying disc, our scripture heart and letter to the child. She will be getting a dress-up girls paper doll, a princess theme. I found this at the Dollar Tree. I really liked the outfits in this book. I thought they looked really fancy. And she'll be getting a Barbie coloring book, a Sparkle Girls doll in a purple dress, and a Belle Barbie. All right, friends, that's all I have for today. I hope the ideas I share here encourage you as you pack your own shoeboxes. Next week, I'll be heading to the processing center, and I can't wait to bring you along and share that experience with you. So stay tuned, that video will be coming soon. One more thing I'd like to mention is that I've recently updated my website to make it even more user-friendly. You'll find lid designs organized into categories, plus new games, printables, and more. I hope these resources will bless your shoebox ministry. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for joining me today. May God bless you and your shoebox ministry. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Colors bright and messages bold. In our hands, His story told. Gifts wrapped in the warmth of grace, bringing smiles